Hello there. In this video, I'm excited to guide you through the process of how to cancel an offer on eBay. Whether you're a seasoned eBay user or just getting started, understanding how to manage your offers effectively is crucial. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, you'll need to log into your eBay account using your credentials. You can choose to log in with your email, Facebook, Google, or Apple account. If you haven't created an account yet, now's a fantastic opportunity to do so. You have the option to set up either a personal or business account. Just provide your full legal name, email address, and password, and follow the on-screen instructions by clicking the Create Account button. Once you're logged in, head over to My eBay, where you'll find the Bids Offers section under Recently Viewed. Click on this option to proceed. Here, it's important to remember that when you make a best offer or counter offer, you're agreeing to purchase the item if the seller accepts your terms. However, mistakes can happen. Maybe you entered the wrong price or changed your mind. If you need to retract or cancel an offer, it's crucial to act quickly. You can do this if there are at least 12 hours left before the listing ends and you placed your most recent offer less than an hour ago. Keep in mind that you won't be able to retract your offer if the listing ends in less than 12 hours and it's been more than an hour since your last offer. Also, note that if a seller has already accepted or declined your offer, or if you've sent a counter-offer, there are fewer options available for cancellation. For those using the eBay desktop site, navigate back to My eBay, select Bids Offers, and then choose the offer you wish to retract. Simply click on Review Offer and then Retract Offer. If you're using the mobile browser or eBay app, visit the Best Offer cancellation form to manage your offer. If you're encountering any issues during this process, don't hesitate to click on the Help and Contact link. eBay's customer service team is more than willing to assist you in resolving any difficulties you might face while cancelling an offer on eBay. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.